What's happening, partner? Welcome to the latest installment of DashCam Reels while driving with the Chevy Bolt 2LT. If it weren't for the REXING cam, you wouldn't believe the stories of mayhem in traffic. The Windy City certainly has a big collection of bozos on the road to contend with. From ultra-slow drivers to pass by because they're not going anywhere near the speed limit, to the final scene where I have to deal with a road-raging dummy, and because I'm armed, I have to make an escape. It crossed my mind to do a pit maneuver and send him out of control, but there was traffic in behind me. Not a good idea. This dodo bird chases me and gives me gun gestures with his hand. Anyhow, really hoping you enjoy these dash cam reels, so like, share, and sub, as YouTube totally banishes these posts due to music and a potty mouth. Meantime, check out this silly woman here who's driving in the lane designated for left-hand turns. When a car flashes her, she realizes it and then almost hits me, correcting herself. Boy, I'll tell you, you should all get a dash cam. Too many clowns about. With that, you all stay safe, buckle up, have insurance. Ciao, friends. Dumb bitch.
I would have made it if it wasn't for this fucking homo. motherfuckers drive like pussies. Shit. Can you move over? How you doing? How you doing, my man? Can you back up? I can fit. Thank you. Thank you. That's what you get for having a small ass, having a big ass car like that. I can fit. Not my problem. Let's go, you goofy bitch. This guy is the problem. This Lincoln. Fucker, move up. Goofy ass son of a bitch. Driving like a fucking puta. Fuck you, dude. Saw me coming, motherfucker. What's up, nigga? What's up, motherfucker? Pussy ass bitch. What's up, motherfucker? Catch up to me, bitch. Fucker.